In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use templates in Microsoft Outlook. This simple guide will help streamline your email process, saving you time and effort. Now let's dive into the details and walk through the process step by step. The first thing you need to do is head over to the official Outlook website. To do this, open up your web browser and go to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Once you're there, look for the sign in button, which is typically located on the top right corner of the screen. It's worth noting that this is an important step because signing in gives you access to all your Outlook features, including email templates. After clicking the sign in button, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This means you'll need to input your email address and password that you use for your Outlook account. Once you've successfully logged in, you should now find yourself on the main Outlook mail page. Here, you'll see all your emails and folders organized neatly in front of you. The next step is to start composing a new email. On the Outlook mail page, locate and click on the New Mail button. It's usually found on the left-hand side of the page. Clicking this button will open up a new email draft, allowing you to begin writing your message. This is where we'll start creating our template. Now that you have your new email draft open, you should click on the Insert option in the menu bar at the top of your drafting window. In Outlook, there's a useful feature that allows you to insert various elements into your email, such as files, links, and more. In this case, we'll be focusing on inserting a template. Once you've clicked Insert, look for an option labeled Apps. Clicking on Apps will show you a list of various Outlook integrations and tools that can enhance your email experience. Among these options, you'll see My Templates. Choose My Templates from the list to begin working with existing templates or creating a new one from scratch. At this point, you'll see pre-existing templates if you have any. To add a new template, look for an option that says Template. Click on it to create a new one. This opens up a text box where you can design your template by writing and formatting the text as you desire. Remember, a template serves as a reusable resource for repetitive emails, so consider what information or tone you often use and include it here. After you've designed your template to your liking, you need to save it. Saving the template is crucial as it ensures all your formatting and text gets stored correctly for future use. Once you're satisfied with your template's content, look for the Save option and click on it. This will store your template in the My Templates section of Outlook, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. Creating email templates in Outlook is an efficient way to handle frequently sent messages without the hassle of having to type the same information repeatedly. Once set up, these templates can be inserted into any new email you draft, ensuring consistency and efficiency in communication. We've successfully created our first template, and now you can explore and experiment with even more templates in Outlook. Whether it is for work, managing your team, or personal uses, having pre-written and formatted messages can significantly boost your productivity. As you grow more comfortable with this process, you might consider developing multiple templates for different types of emails you send regularly, further enhancing this tool's effectiveness in your daily routine. Organizing your communications with templates can be a game changer for managing your inbox efficiently and ensuring well-structured correspondence. Thank you for joining me today in learning how to use Outlook templates. I hope this guide helps you as you navigate through your email tasks more effectively. Stay tuned for more tips and tools to further optimize your digital workflow. Until next time, happy emailing.